Hello, dear customer. Now we are teaching you how to use the LPG steam car washer. It's the machiner's panel. Steam pressure voltage gauge. Gas tank. Steam hose, wax bottle. Okay, now let's ask our technician to do the step-by-step to teach you how to use it. Okay, first step, adding water. There are two ways to adding water. The first is by hand. The second adding water is automatic adding water. Okay, the second step. Connect steam hose. With two wrenches. One fix it and another wrench to adjust it. The second, wax bottle, wax hose. The third step, connect wax hose, wax gun. Okay, the first step, connects gas tank. Maybe your gas tank regulator is different with Chinese. You just need to match with your local regulator. It will be work. And put the gas tank inside. Close the door. The fifth step, open air switch. It can provide the whole electricity to this machinery. This is the battery electricity indicator. It will have data. If the data is less than 46, you need to charge the battery. After full charge, it will be 52. Okay, now let's use the machinery. If you want to use wax, press wax button. It's a wax gun. You can adjust it to be straight or flat. It's used for pre-cleaning if the car is very dirty. Adjust the nozzle to get a different angle of the spray. Okay, if you want to use steam, press this button back, it's wax, and then press steam button. Before you use steam function, you should be sure that the pump works. How to test pump work? Press this heating button. After press this button, you see, press the gun trigger. Then we will have water out. It means the pump working well. Okay, then press again. It will stop. And then press steam button. If cold start, it needs about 1 minute to get steam. So please wait with patiently. Keep press the steam gun trigger until the steam out normally. Now we are waiting the steam pressure going up. Now steam has coming out. Wait until the pressure reaches up. is steam voltage. Now it's 10 bar. If you wash the car body, set the wet and dry to 50. If you want to wash the car inside, rotate it to 80 to 100. You will get a dry. No water drop up, no water drop up. It's very dry. You can wash the car inside. Okay, now the above is the LPG steam car washing machinery. How to use it? Hope you have know how to use it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.